Good morning, teacher. Before we proceed to our lesson, please raise for our prayer. In the name of the Father, of the Son, of the Holy Spirit, Amen. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. In the name of the Father, of the Son, of the Holy Spirit. Amen. We now proceed. Thank you, teacher. How are you today, class? Are you feeling good?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. So now, let me check first your attendance. When I call your name, you need to chant fighting. Is that clear?
Yes, teacher.
Jamela?
Fighting.
Grace May?
Fighting.
Very good. Everyone is present. Now, before we proceed to our lesson, let's talk about our classroom rules first. So, we can call it 5-star super scientist rule. So, number 1, be curious, not noisy. So, ask questions, explore, and listen when others speak. And number 2, handle materials like a scientist. Use tools and objects carefully. Clean up after experiments. Number 3, respect every voice. Let everyone share ideas. No interrupting. And number 4, work as a team. So you need to help your group, share materials, and encourage one another. And last, number 5, leave no trace. Keep the classroom clean, dispose of waste properly, and protect our environment. Is that clear, class?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. So, who can tell me what is our lesson yesterday? Okay, Grace May?
Physical and chemical changes, teacher.
Very good. So, class, have you ever seen objects that can be dangerous?
Yes, teacher.
Who can give me an example? Yes, Grace May?
Broken the glass, teacher.
Yes, very good. What else? Yes.
Matches and lighter, teacher.
Yes, very good. Now, for our activity, I have here a picture of the different kinds of objects. And I will divide you into 2 groups. This will be the group 1, and this will be the group 2. And your task is very simple. You need to identify whether the object here is harmful or useful. Is that clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I will give you 5 minutes to do that. Okay, group 1, you may present your activity here. And the name of that object.
This is sharp metal.
Very good.
This is harmful.
Yes, very good.
Next is a rubber. This is useful.
Yes, very good. How about group 2? You may present your output here.
This is matches and this is harmful.
Yes, very good.
And also, teacher, this is a plastic bottle. This is useful.
Yes, very good. Very good job, class. And now, let's proceed to our lesson. Now for our lesson, I will call on teacher Jenny. So good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
So for today, we're going to have an activity, a quick exploration. So we're going to call this activity as Material Detectives. Do you know what is a detective?
No, teacher.
Oh, so a detective is someone who can or who is going to solve the mystery. So today you're going to be a detective and you're going to solve a mystery. So I will group you into 2 groups. So each group will receive a case file. So inside this envelope is your case file and the visual part that will help you to identify or solve the mystery, and also a report sheet. So before we start, let us go first as your job as detectives. So first you need to read the case file carefully and then identify the properties, and also
Write your conclusion in the report sheet. So, you must work as a team because detectives do not guess. They observe, they think, and use evidence to solve the mystery. So, here are your case files, group 1 and group 2. Now, detectives, you may now start your case file. I will give you 5 minutes to solve the mystery. So detectives, you have 1 minute left to finalize your mystery case. So is the group ready? Are you done? Are you finished?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. So when I call your group and present your findings here, you need to say case closed. Here are my findings. Okay, do you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, group 1, please start.
Case closed. Here are my findings. So, the scenario is, after class, a disc was found sticky because glue was spilled on it. Investigation questions are the following. First, what's the material useful or harmful in this situation? My answer is, it is harmful. Second question is why? Because the glue was spilled on it and it was found sticky. And the last question is, what should be done next time? So next time, we should close the glue and store it properly.
Okay, thank you, group 1. Now, group 2, please present your findings. You need to say case closed and here are my findings.
Case closed, so here's my findings. Case scenario card 1, the classroom plan. Scenario, during the morning cleaning, a student accidentally cut his finger. A shiny sharp object was found under the table. In this case of question, what material caused the accident? The answer is broken glass. And the second is properly and harmful. The answer is a shiny sharp object. And 3, what it should be done to prevent his dispose properly.
Okay, thank you, group 2. So, detectives, you did a great job in solving the case. So, now, let's gather all the information to discover the big idea. So now, let us proceed to our lesson. So now, our lesson for today is useful and harmful materials. We're going to identify what are useful and harmful materials. Okay, next. Next, please look at the pictures below. Can you identify what are the pictures?
Yes, teacher.
So, what are the first picture?
A broken mirror.
Yes, a broken mirror. So, a broken mirror, is it useful or harmful?
Harmful.
Harmful. Okay, very good. Next,
Newspaper.
yes, newspaper. Is it useful or harmful?
Useful.
Useful. Next, we have
A bottled water.
a bottle or container. Okay, is it useful or harmful?
Useful.
It is useful. What if this expired medicine? Is it useful or harmful?
Harmful.
Harmful. Okay, now let us discover, based on your questions, if you are correct or whether these are useful or harmful. So now, let us find out when is a material useful. So do you know when is a material useful? durability, and more. So those are useful materials. So let us find out more examples. So for example, plastic or glass bottles. Are they useful or not?
Useful.
Yes, useful because they can be used as decoratives. We can make the plastic bottles as flowers or something, anything that can be used as decorative in our house, in school, or even as projects. So next we have old newspapers. Is old newspaper useful?
Yes.
Yes, it can be recycled. It can be reused. It can also be used as decorative. Yes, very good. Next, how about this vegetable peel or fruit peel?
Useful.
Useful. Why do you think useful ang vegetable peel?
You can put it in the plant and it can be fertilizer.
Very good. So fruit vegetable is a useful, even though it is something that we need to dispose already, we need to throw it after using, but vegetable peel or fruit peel can still be useful because it can be decomposed and be used as fertilization or fertilizer, I mean. So, do you understand the useful materials?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Now, let's proceed to the harmful materials. So, when is a material harmful? So, do you know or can you tell when is a material harmful?
Yes.
Okay, now let's find out. So, a material is harmful when it can cause
Injury.
Yes, very good. When it can cause injury when not used or not disposed properly. Yes, very good. So, harmful materials have these properties such as flammable, corrosive, explosive, or poisonous. So, these are materials that are harmful. So, now, let's look for its examples to further understand the harmful materials. So, for harmful materials, we have
Broken mirror.
so broken mirror is harmful because it can cause us wounds or cuts. Yes, and that is harmful to our body. So we need to dispose it properly. Okay, very good. Now we have drain
Drain bath.
batteries. So why do you think drain batteries are harmful?
Because it will explode.
Yes, very good. So drain batteries will cause explosion. It can explode. So we need to throw it properly. Okay. Medicines. Why do you think medicines can be harmful?
Because it can cause overdose.
Oh, okay. Overdose. Yes. Thank you. That is correct. Because medicines are useful, but it can also be harmful when we use it overly. So that's why we need prescription from doctors to take proper dosage of the medicines. So that's why we need to be cautious of the medicines we take. So materials around us behave differently because each one has its own properties. So a material is not just useful or harmful on its own. It depends on its properties and how we use it. So now, since we're talking about harmful and useful materials, let us also discover their proper segregation. So we have here biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Are you familiar with biodegradable and non-biodegradable?
Yes.
Okay, so when we say biodegradable, these are materials that can be broken down or be decomposed by the microorganisms. So that is biodegradable. Next, we have non-biodegradable. So when we say non-biodegradable, these are materials that cannot be broken down or decomposed. So and it can also cause So that's why we need to properly segregate our wastes. So now let's look for the examples of biodegradable and biodegradable and non-biodegradable. So for biodegradable waste, we have here paper, cotton, kitchen waste, fruit and vegetables, flowers and leaves, and animal waste. So these are examples of biodegradable waste that can be decomposed naturally. Next, we have non-biodegradable waste. So we have here plastics, metals, glass, rubber, thermocol, and synthetic fibers. So these are materials that are non-biodegradable, meaning it cannot be decomposed. So now, as you know, the biodegradable and non-biodegradable, can you now properly throw your trashes?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, very good. So now do you understand our lesson?
Yes, teacher.
Do you have any other questions?
None, teacher.
So since now you understand our lesson, let us give ourselves a wow clap. So follow me, and so let's do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, wow. Okay? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, wow.
Okay, thank you class. Now let us give our way to next presentation. So now I will call on teacher Daphne to proceed our class. Okay, thank you class.